Hey guys, we are now on Unit 10, and the first thing we're going to do is we have three different shapes that we are going to find the surface area for, and we are going to first use the rectangular prisms. Here's the notes. I suggest you watch the video, take the notes, or take a picture of the notes, or whatever you do. If you are online, you must come to Zoom during 8th period. No excuses. You gotta be there. That's when your class is. Here we go. So we have 8.7b, and we're going to use our previous knowledge of surface area . And calculate lateral and total surface area for rectangular prisms. Okay, so I'm going to put rectangular here because that's what we're doing. That's our shape. Draw our line, and we are ready. Okay, on your formula chart, you must be familiar with your formula chart. If you're in school, I gave you one. If you are online, you must understand that here is our surface area. We have prisms and cylinders. We have rectangular prisms, and we have triangular prisms. And we need to understand that for lateral surface area, we're going to take the perimeter of the base times the height. And for total, we're going to take the perimeter of the base times the height plus 2 times the area of the base. And we're going to explain that in these notes. So here we go. The formula is this. So we have total and we have lateral. Total is the entire rectangular prism. Lateral is just all the sides of the prism. It's not the top or the bottom. So let's figure out what all this means. So for the formula, we have PH plus 2B. And for lateral, we only have P and H. So let's identify what these mean. P is our perimeter of all of the base. So to get that, you add all 4 sides. H is our height of the prism. And our capital B is area. Whoops, I messed up. Of the base. So let's take an example. Let's say you have a rectangular prism, and I'm going to do my best to draw one. And let's say we know that this side is 5. This here is 2. And the height is 3. So we're going to use these numbers, plug it into the formula, and get our answer. So for total, I'm going to write the formula. Step 1, write the formula. Step 2, let's identify what we need to find. We need to find the perimeter, we need to find the height, and we need to find the area of the base. So the perimeter is add all the sides. So if we know this side is 5, we would know directly across from it is also 5. And we know if this is 2, this is also 2. So let's add those together. We have 5 plus 5 plus 2 plus 2. And that would equal 14. Our height is 3, so we know the height is 3. And capital B is area of the base. So if we came up here and saw our formula chart, we would know that area of a rectangle, which is the base, it's in the shape of a rectangle, is base times height. So here, we would multiply 5 and 2. So the area of the base is 5 times 2. 5 times 2 is 10. Now we're ready to plug in our numbers. We have a 14, a 3, and a 10. So now we can plug those into the formula. So our perimeter is 14, our height is 3, plus this 2 is in the formula because we have 2 bases. We have one here and we have the other one right here. So 2 times 10. You can put that in your calculator. So we have 14, 3 times 3 plus 2 times 10, and we know our answer is 62. So the total surface area of this shape is 62. So the surface area equals 62. Now we're going to do a lateral surface area. And that formula is the perimeter times the height. So we need to look for the perimeter, and we need to look for the height, which we already know from over here. So we know our perimeter is 5 plus 5 plus 2 plus 2. We know our perimeter is 14. We know the height of this shape is 3. So 14 times 3 is our answer. 14, 3. Our answer is 42. That is it. You look at your shape, You plug in what you know in the formula and then put it in the calculator. That's it, guys. That'll do it for rectangular prisms and surface area. Please come to Zoom if you are online. The next video will show some online examples. Thank you for watching.